guys, from Diving here. Welcome you back to my channel, and as promised, we continue on with the Know Your Rights series. Now, the Constitution, as I mentioned before, is a very important document, and if you do anything, please take some time to download a PDF copy of it. If you would like that, please send me a message in the text section below. You say hashtag I'm a responsible citizen, and I will make sure that you get a PDF version of the Constitution of Zimbabwe. That said, as always, remember to like, follow, and subscribe. Now, my name is Rubizavengi, the Legal Bay. Continuing on with this critical information, this is a public service announcement. And in that vein, we are venturing into the Know Your Constitution series. So, the Constitution features those fundamental rights that I did mention in my first video. But here's where it gets interesting. So they're broken down into two sections. They are qualified rights and unqualified rights. So qualified rights are rights that can be deviated from because of certain reasons. Now, I'll give you an example. The right to liberty. So you are ordinarily entitled to liberty. You have every right to be free to walk around. You have no right to be detained without your consent, except when you commit a criminal offense, or if you are suspected of committing a criminal offense. What happens then? You are arrested by the police, and if you're convicted of a crime, you could either be made to pay a fine or you could be imprisoned. So in that case, the state is allowed to deprive you of your liberty. But you are also entitled to a number of rights upon your arrest. And those rights I will touch on in later videos to come. So that will be section 50 of the Constitution. Then we have unqualified rights. So unqualified rights are rights that can never, ever, ever, ever be deviated from for any reason. For example, the right to life is absolute and cannot be deviated from. The right to non-degrading or inhuman treatment, for example, cannot be ever, ever, ever for any reason be deviated from. So those are your qualified and unqualified rights. And fun fact, until the 31st of December 2024, Zimbabwe allowed the death penalty for